How's it going? We're doing a little POV, action, a little forward focus. Got all the gear in the back here. Really cool stuff. Was gonna stop by the NBA first, but I'm already running late. So let's just get a moving, shall we? We're gonna go visit our boy HT at his place, so we're gonna meet up. So apparently, yesterday, Kris and Harold went on to do their own adventure, and apparently they had some not so good incidents that occurred with the equipment that they had. And so I'm gonna meet up with them, see what's good. I'm not sure what exactly is going on. He told me, Harold messaged me saying the general gist of it. Why don't I'm a dumbass, I went the wrong way. And let's go this way. Let's make a shortcut. So yeah, him and Kris went filming, I'm not sure what they were filming. They hit me up, but I was busy. It turned out, I found out throughout the night, I got a message from Harold they fucked up. And so now we're gonna go meet them up, see the story behind that. Hopefully it's not any fucky shit, but we'll find out as we go. This camera's pretty decent. It's just the battery sucks ass. It's most will last you in an hour or so of filming and shit. But that's not enough. So you're a fucking idiot, dog. You're not gonna turn here. Don't put your signal up. Are we good to go? No, we were not good to go. I did not see the Jeep. I don't know why you at least put your hazard lights at the turn signal, dog. Where my picture go? Look at my hair. Oh, look at a fucking mushroom. Good thing I have hair ties, because I'm gonna need them later. So Harold, we were supposed to meet up at 1. It is currently 1:12. I was gonna go to the NBA, get my missions done, and then meet up with Harold since it was on the way there. But when I realized, when I was looking for the whole pieces and shit, I was like, oh shit, it's already 1 o'clock. Kris is already there. Harold's already there. So I'm I'm last yet again. I don't know what I'm stopping. A little daily. Good for it's good little daily. I fuck with it. I do say it's a good intro level car if anybody wants to get, and a high schooler if you want to buy them a Ford Focus, a manual. The manual though, they have obviously the Focus SE, which is the base model. Then you got the ST and the RS. And if you're getting a first time driver, that base model, that SE, solid for them. The 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, solid. And there's actually modification platform. It's not really much performance because the motor's not designed for this shit, for high performance stuff. So you are limited, but you are able to use ST parts or RS parts to this. Ironically, you can still use those parts too if you want to become more sporty. And there are some shops or people who do sell at the market spoilers, splitters. I mean, it was my first car, so I wanted to do intake, which was the easiest. I do the exhaust, and then from there I got a tune, little can tune. Well, it's a custom tune, but an naturally aspirated 4-cylinder. You get what you get, It's not a 300 horsepower tune, I barely made probably 5 extra horsepower maybe, and that's a big maybe, I don't know if you saw that he put his hazard lights. That's a good indication that we're coming to a sudden stop. My dad also told me that trick, tip, I guess, advice. If you're seeing that you're gonna come to on the highway, if you're going high speed and you're coming to almost a direct stop, it's good to turn on your hazard lights to give the back driver a warn. The back Yeah, back driver, I guess. The car behind you, a warning, like, hey, yo, stop, slow down, don't fuck me up. And judging by the hit on the back of his car, seemed like that might have happened before. So, safety tip right there, safety advice. Let's see that Kris downshifts. Oof. Slow car, so we don't move anywhere. But it sounds nice. It's funny because when I pull up into like car meets, a lot of people don't know what the fuck I be driving. I'm like, the fuck is that? Just because the sound doesn't fit this car. Or they just drive it just because of this. That is why I hate fucking drivers, dog. Whenever there's an accident, someone pulls over on the side of the road, they will slow down just to take a look. Like, come on, dog, it piss off. They ever got a handle, there's a cop or there's a tow truck, just piss off. You know, you don't need to stay there and look. See, they cleared up. Because fuckers like them are always slowing down for like something like that just to take a look. You know what? My dumbass does that too sometimes. I'm like, what's the hold up? What took them so long? I took a look. Oh, that way. But come on, keep it moving. Keep all this road moving. And look at what they all did. The burnout this shit. Those fucking dumbass Mopar guys. And then was it a week later, I saw a group of bikers do the same shit. I'm like, dog, this is why they want to take us our modification abilities away. Because dumbasses like them. I just watched it like last weekend. It's already fucking disgusting. Disgusting. The cool thing about modifications or like the car, being a car enthusiast, you just kind of, you learn as you go. There's no right, no wrong. Well, I mean, obviously there's a lot of wrongs, but that's the beauty of it. You'll never say, oh, I'm an expert, I know what exactly the fuck I'm doing. No. We're always fucking up, one way or another. Nothing's gonna go smooth. So you're always gonna run into some fuck ups. I'm probably gonna say some bullshit because I got here late. It's not long enough. It's not long enough. Like this part right here doesn't reach all the way back. I tried, but it doesn't work. How's it going, fellas?
It's going.
Tapush. Oh, look at that. Look at that Kris line. Oh my
God. Get off my line.
Kris, dog, look. Fresh cut. Watch out, ladies.
Oh my God.
Kris Brown with the Kris cut.
The Kris cut. So we going to Coles?
I like your cut, G.
Why don't you slap him?
Nah, I ain't gonna do that to him. I was really thinking about bringing the bike.
Yeah.
I thought about it, but I was like, eh.
Chilly, but
Not gonna lie, I was kind of lazy to take it out to the shed.
Oh yeah? I shall return. I will.
It's like you lazy. You put some real wheels on your Focus. Put some real tires.
Alright, I'll give you that one. The tires, that's a different
Look at
style.
you just be swapping them. You like, I guess it's got a little bit more tread than the last one. Who needs rear tires? I'm front wheel drive.
Hey,
I didn't get an alignment today, so if we can work in alignment into this video, that'd be clutch.
That's fine. I actually got to get a mission test too. Funny, I was actually gonna go to the mission first, but the reason why I got here late is because I was looking for like some pieces for the camera, and I couldn't find it.
Looking for some pieces for the camera. Looking for them hoes.
I was looking for some for the mic.
Ladies and gentlemen, do not let this distract you from the fact that Kenny be out here looking for these hoes. He be slaying. He don't like to admit that he be slaying straight hoes, but he be slaying straight hoes.
Yeah,
He be acting like he don't. It be prime time. Everybody out. We call Kenny. Kenny be like, I'm busy right now. It's a Saturday. I'm busy. Ain't no music. He ain't going nowhere. He in the house slaying hoes. But he just be like, I'm busy. Every weekend. This is every weekend.
Good man. All right. Please tell me the story of what happened yesterday.
So this man, so I pull up on Harold. I'm like, yo, what you trying to do? He was like, I don't really know. So I was like, you trying to get some food, because I'm always hungry. This nigga used to be always hungry.
When he was a broke boy.
Yeah, when he was a broke boy, I'm hungry back in college every day. He's like, you trying to pull up down? Oh, I was like, let's pull up downtown Silver Spring. He was like, all right. So he was like, yo, you think I should put the GoPro on? GoPro, because they ain't real.
So I slapped this GoPro on, and I'm just like, oh, that's cool.
I said, I don't know, when your car a little dusty, you might just pop right off.
I wiped it off. Took this microfiber right here, this particular one. I said, all right. I'm just like, okay, this is pretty solid. I'm locking stuff down. It's pretty solid, and I'm just like, all right. It's starting to rain. It's okay.
Underestimated the wind.
Yep. Which is funny because like I like we get on 29 and I like give it a little pull. We go up to like maybe 60, and I'm just like, oh, okay. And I bring it back down to 40. You know, we're just coasting. So I'm like, all right, if it held up from that pull, it should hold up, right? There's a lot of torque on that pull. There's, you know, a lot of wind. Now I'm looking back at it, and all I see, and the thing, I see the suction cup, like just like fall down flat and kind of just like skirt across the road. But the camera, I visibly see this camera hit the grass and go, bah, 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 bah. And I'm like, that's the last I see. I didn't see anything else. So I thought, this is the grass. We good. Park the car. I run up. Kris is just sitting in the car, scrolling. I roll up, and I'm like, I don't see nothing. I look at the street, and you know what I see?
Oh. Oh.
And I was like, oh, maybe I can say the SD card is cracked. Oh.
Wait, can you play that again? Oh my god.
The SD card's cracked. Everything's cracked.
Is that the LiPo battery?
I think this was the screen.
I think it is the screen.
Camera itself is destroyed. Yeah, and
that's no longer a
that's
square.
all that I could salvage of it. There was nothing else. The case, trash.
Sorry, just wait for it. Oh my god.
Only 3 things left. This is all that was left that I could get. The case, which didn't hold up at all. The suction cup
That gave out.
and one of the hinges to the thing, like just one of them.
Oh my god.
The rest of it,
Long gone silver.
I don't know. I don't know where it is.
So, we learned 2 things at least.
Do not use this suction cup.
On public roads.